handing over to and the Gen.Muhoozi has successfully received the office of the Chief of Defense Forces of the UPDF. Another example.
UPDF continues to be the principal pillar of the Ugandan state. Ugandans can disagree on a lot of things, on politics, on how the economy is running, on inaction, on the scourge of corruption, and so forth, but they all respect and revere the UPDF. UPDF is the central institution. I want to thank the outgoing CDF, General Abali, for all the work you have done with your team in building our esteemed military.